Hi, my name is Joe Viviano, and I'm honored to share my story with the Glen Doherty Memorial Foundation. I currently serve as a maritime planner and liaison officer with the Joint Special Operations Command. I grew up in a small town in Kansas with my parents, my grandma, and my sister. And coming out of school, I knew I wanted to serve and gain leadership experience, so I joined the military. And being from Kansas, there was no water nearby, and so the Navy was the branch that A, got me to water, and B, was the quickest way to get on a surfboard. And so I spent 3 years as a division officer on board the USS Pearl Harbor, where I was a division leader for a team of 56 engineers that operated the engines and the generators that were required for the ship's propulsion and electricity. Deployed overseas with the Marine Corps once, and then after that, started my second division officer tour on board the aircraft carrier USS Nimitz, where I led a team of intelligence analysts and cryptologists in the intel department. Both these experiences on ships really honed my leadership skills in challenging environments and also increased my technical understanding of combat systems and maritime operations. And so then I transitioned to the role at JSOC, which has maintained my roots to service, but also enabled me to enhance my skills in strategic planning to the next level. At JSOC, I've been a leader of small teams that's been entrusted with really the hardest problems that are facing the United States. So I've been in the Navy a decade, all in all, deployed all over the world, shot missiles from ships. It's been very challenging and rewarding, but it's definitely shaped me into the person I am today. In terms of what's important to me, education has always been a top priority. Growing up, my grandma and I would spend countless hours in the library reading books, and so training and education for me always represented a way out of financial hardship from my childhood. I give a lot of credit to my parents who have just given unwavering support, and my grandma as well, who's really instilled the value of lifelong learning and the importance of bettering oneself through education. I will be starting a master's in business administration at Harvard Business School this coming August. And after graduation, my plan is to work for an innovative startup company that focuses on the defense space. In my time at JSOC, I've noticed a pretty large gap in ready-made, tailored, automated programs within the Department of Defense. Each warfighting unit I've observed faces unique challenges that requires mission-specific data. And so I want to be a part of that solution by integrating advanced technologies to strengthen our national security base and prepare it for the conflicts of tomorrow. Beyond, career ambitions, one of the things that's really important to me is mentorship. And so while at business school, I plan on becoming a big brother and actively volunteering in the community. Um, and this scholarship would definitely allow me to devote more time to these initiatives by reducing the time that's necessary for part-time jobs while studying. Ultimately, long-term goal, dream job is to return to the Naval Academy to teach and shape the next generation of data literate and data centric warfighters. And I think this scholarship will help me achieve all these goals by enabling me to pursue advanced education. I want to thank you very much for considering my application. The support from the Glen Doherty Memorial Foundation would be instrumental in helping me to continue serving, innovating, and leading. I look forward to honoring Glen's legacy through future endeavors, and thank you very much.